Hello students, here Shilpi Sani from Suraj School Bhiwadi, PGT English. Today we will start our chapter from our book English Alive class 4. Okay, and second lesson we will continue. Okay, we have to start from this point. Just open your book everyone. Clear? Yes. I am Pinky. My father works in the mango orchard. Okay, here you can see Pinky is introducing herself. Pinky is that girl who was peeping from the back side, okay, from the back side, okay, of the tree. She was behind the tree and she was peeping from there, and now she is introducing her that she is Pinky and she is the daughter of the person who was working in the mango orchard. Okay, जो मैंगो ऑर्चर्ड में काम करते हैं ये उनकी बेटी है. मैंगो ऑर्चर्ड में कौन काम करता है? हु वॉज वर्किंग इन मैंगो ऑर्चर्ड? इट वॉज रघुराम. रघुराम थे. ठीक है. तो फिर उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं, हियर यू कैन सी अगेन, अंजलि इन्वाइटेड हर टू प्ले विद हर ऑन द स्विंग एंड शेयर्ड अ मैंगो विद हर. नाउ अंजलि इन्वाइटेड हर, अंजलि कॉल्ड हर टू प्ले विद हर. ओके, वो उसको अपने लिए बुला लेती कि आओ हम खेलें, और फिर वहाँ पर जो स्विंग था वो भी शेयर करती है, जो झूला था, एंड शेयर्ड अ मैंगो विथ हर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, और उसके साथ अपने मैंगोज भी शेयर करती है. वो उसको स्विंग के लिए बुलाती है कि चलो हम एक साथ खेलते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. शी कॉल्ड हर to play together and to enjoy together, and she also shared mango with her. Many days went by. Okay, both the girls became very good friend. Both the girls became very good friend. Okay, and then one day Anjali asked, I have never seen you go to school. Okay, then what happened? Anjali was asking, actually Anjali was curious that she had never gone to school. That's why she asked that she had never seen her to go to school. कभी नहीं देखा था उसे स्कूल जाते हुए. Then why Pinky looked very uncomfortable. Okay, she asked that why did you not go to school. Okay, Anjali asked because she never seen Pinky. She had never seen Pinky to go to school. That's why she asked. And Pinky at that time she was very uncomfortable. Okay, uncomfortable means worried or nervous. She was feeling nervous. She was uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means worried, nervous, asुविधाजनक. Okay, here it is word uncomfortable, and she was feeling uncomfortable, and she did not answer and simply ran away. Then what happened? She was not able to answer. She just ran away from there. She was not able to answer. She just ran away. She was feeling uncomfortable. She was feeling nervous. She was not able to answer that question, and that's why she ran away. Okay, Anjali was puzzled. अब अंजलि क्या थी? She was puzzled. Okay, she was in the state of confusion that why had she run away. कि वो she had just run away. Why had she run away? वो क्यों भाग गई उसे समझ में नहीं आता. She was in the state of confusion. Puzzled means जो है आप confuse हो गए हो. Confusion, a kind of confusion. Okay, फंसे हुए हो, किसी दुविधा में हो. The next day too there was no sign of Pinky. The next day Pinky didn't come as she had run away. She didn't come. वो नहीं आती है. Anjali missed her friends. Okay, now Anjali was missing her very much, very terribly. She was missing her. Anjali was missing her friend Pinky because she is not coming. Okay, because she had gone, because she was asked the question that why was she not going to school. Okay, that's why she was not coming nowadays, and Anjali was missing her terribly. And then Anjali decided to go with her mother. Okay, to go with her mother and meet Pinky at the outhouse. Now what happened? Anjali had decided to go to Pinky's house, outhouse. Okay, with her mother. उसने decide किया कि mother के साथ अपने उसके outhouse पे जाएगी. As they were walking to Pinky's house, Anjali saw some men put up a new hoarding across the compound wall. It read, as they were moving towards Pinky's house, okay, the mother and the Anjali, and both saw some men put up a new hoarding across the compound wall. There was a compound wall it is a compound wall you can see, and here two person you can see, and this is the hoarding. Hoarding is what? Hoarding is a board of advertisement. Okay, this is a board of advertisement that is known as hoarding, जहाँ पर आपका प्रचार वगैरह, विज्ञापन वगैरह, ऐड वगैरह जो है लिख करके या उस पर करके उसको लगाते हैं, वो होर्डिंग होती है. नाउ शी इज अंजलि एंड द मदर ऑफ अंजलि बोथ वर सीइंग to the two persons who were putting a hoarding on the wall. Okay, and there Anjali saw some men put up a new hoarding across the compound wall. It read, each one teach one. What was written there? It read, each one teach one. It is written here on the hoarding. Hoarding समझ में आ गया? A board of advertisement. Anjali read it and remembered. Anjali, when Anjali just read it, she just reminded the things of his class. वो जो है चीज़ों को याद करने लग जाती है अपने क्लास के. And she was thinking that her teacher had taught her rhyming words. उसके टीचर ने उसे rhyming words पढ़ाया था. Her teacher had taught her the rhyming words. What were the words? That is teach and each is a pair of rhyming words. This is what? This is the pair of rhyming words. Clear? But she was now wonder what this sentence means. Now she is thinking that what is the meaning of this sentence, as all of you are also thinking that what does it mean, each one teach one. In the same way, Pinky when read these words on the hoarding board, she was just remembering the things of the classroom that her teacher has taught her about these two words, teach and each. Okay, and these two words are the rhyming words. Okay, pair of rhyming words. Now she is thinking about that, and now she wants to know the meaning of this sentence. Clear? And then what happened? Suman smiled at her daughter and said, it means every person can help another person to read and write. Suman smiled and she explained that it means that every person can help. Okay, we can help another person to read and write. If we know that how to read and how to write, and my friend doesn't know how to read and how to write, then it is my duty to teach my friend. That is the meaning of this slogan, each one teach one. अगर हम पढ़े लिखे हैं तो हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि हमारी जो फ्रेंड अगर वो पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है तो हम उसे पढ़ना लिखना सिखाएं. That is the meaning. Okay, now you can see here, it is a very nice idea, exclaimed Anjali. Now Anjali has got the idea. What is the idea? We will discuss it later in our chapter. Okay, now she has an idea. She exclaimed, okay, yes indeed it is, said her mother. And her mother also just means positively responded. उसकी mother भी उसको positive way में response करती है. And then Pinky and Suman and Anjali reached the outhouse. Pinky met them and shyly said, I ran away that day because I thought you would make fun of me. पिंकी क्या कहती है कि वो उस दिन दौड़ के इसलिए चली गई थी क्योंकि उसे लगा था कि वो अंजलि उसका मजाक उड़ाएगी, पिंकी का. फिर कहती है, यू सी आई नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल एंड डू नॉट नो हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट. फिर कहती है कि मैं कभी स्कूल नहीं गई. आई नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल. शी नेवर हैड गॉन टू स्कूल एक्चुअली. Okay, and do not know how to read and write. She didn't know how to read and write, and she also said that it is quite impossible that I can learn now. She was saying that it is quite tough for her to read and write. It is quite tough for her. Okay, now she was just saying that she had never gone to school and she is not able to read and write. And then here nothing is impossible, Pinky. In fact, everything is possible if you set your mind to it. Now, said Anjali's mother. Anjali's mother is saying that nothing is impossible. If you have planned to do something, then everything is possible. If you have set your mind, अगर आपने अपने मन में कुछ विचार कर लिया है, आपने अपने मन में निश्चय कर लिया है, if you have determined something to do, okay, then nothing is possible for you and you can do everything. Nothing is impossible for you and you can do everything. Okay, if you have determined, okay, if you have set your mind and you have planned everything, then nothing is impossible. You can do everything, said Anjali's mother and put her arms around the child. Now Anjali's mother put her arms, okay, around the child. उसके गले में हाथ डालते हुए उसको प्यार से समझाती है. Anjali exclaimed, I have an idea. अंजलि बोल उठती है कि मेरे पास एक आइडिया है. शी हैड एन आइडिया. शी जस्ट स्पोक दीज वर्ड्स. वाई डोंट यू come home every afternoon after I return from school. I will help you learn how to read and write. Now Anjali had given a proposal to Pinky to come at her home to read and write afternoon, every afternoon. Okay, when she would return from her school, then Pinky can go her home to read and write, and Anjali will help her to read and write. I think the concept of this page is clear to you. Okay, and now we will try to understand this. Here uncomfortable means worried or nervous. Okay, now fact file. Each one teach one is a proverb which originated in the United States of America. Okay, it is a proverb originated in the United States of America during the time African slaves were denied education. जो अफ्रीकन स्लेव्स थे, स्लेव्स मैंने जो होता है दास होते हैं, जो किसी के अंडर में रह के काम करते हैं, तो वो अफ्रीकन स्लेव्स थे. जब उनको एजुकेशन के लिए मना कर दिया गया, वन ऑफ देम दीज स्लेव्स मैनेज टू गेट एजुकेशन. उनमें से किसी एक ने एजुकेशन को मैनेज कर लिया, एजुकेट होने के लिए, अपने आप को एजुकेट करने के लिए. शी मैनेज्ड दैट वन. ओके, एंड इट वॉज हिज और हर ड्यूटी टू टीच अनदर पर्सन टू रीड एंड राइट. जब उसको मौका मिला पढ़ने लिखने का, फिर ये उसकी ड्यूटी बनती है कि औरों को वो पढ़ना लिखना सिखाए. क्लियर क्लास? आई थिंक यू एंजॉयड दिस एंड द थिंग्स आर क्लियर. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.